Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subscriber and you're watching, thank you for your support. So, as you all know that, so Sasha was dating Tando, and then Tando cheated on Sasha, and then Sasha dumped Tando. So now Sasha is dating Jacobs. So Jacobs she used to trend on TikTok. Yeah, she used to trend on TikTok. People were accusing her of having done something on her body. They accused her that she has done something to her calves. They say that she need to go and redo her body because the doctor has ruined her body, that her calves were not in the same position. So that's how Jacobs, the one that now is dating Sasha, gained her popularity. So after Sasha dated Tando, he dated Jacobs. So now Sasha engaged Jacobs. He engaged her. So, guys, name one thing about men. No matter what people say about you, no matter people are calling you ugly, if that guy likes you and he loves you, there is nothing going to stop him coming to you. Sasha really loved this girl, if I tell you. If you haven't watched their videos together, you can just go and check them out. You can see that he loves her and he feels comfortable around her. One thing about men, they want women who are very confident, regardless of how you look. You just need to be proud of the way you look and be confident with yourself. So he engaged her, and as far as I know, Sasha, like back then with his relationship with the other girls, they did not last the way this one lasted. Like this one, he has been there ever since they started dating. So yeah, congratulations to them for maybe thinking and promising her to marry her. It's a good thing for a very young man like him to even think about marrying her. So yeah, guys, good for them. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.